marketing teams, business teams need to be adaptive. They need to be creative. Those ideas of future fit that we explored earlier, they need to get their content to market, and they can't get in a queue to be, number 327th on the list to get an experience or content to market. They need the ability to publish something now. So we've talked to, say, a financial services company where they were running a flagship CMS along with a complementary CMS so that their teams could publish landing pages or content related to a new credit card that they wanted to launch. We talked to a large hotel organization business that said, we've got street level restaurants and spas and golf courses that need constant refreshes of content, whether we're running a special or have a special musical guest playing at one of our venues. And again, we can't get in the queue to have that happen in 2 weeks' time because the event's going to already pass. So we've adopted this idea of a complementary CMS that puts the keys in the hands of our marketers, our business users, to get content, to get experiences to market faster. It all comes down to omnichannel. It's where does your brand want to be present? Where does your brand want to do business? Where does your brand want to express its persona? And oftentimes it's web and mobile, but it's not always web and mobile. It could be other channels as well. It could be a voice assistant. It could be a kiosk. It could be digital signage. It could be channels that don't even exist now that we need to set the foundation so that we can serve them in the future. So having business users be able to deliver content to those existing channels or those emerging channels is just as important as being able to deliver content and experiences to traditional channels like web and mobile.